The landscape has changed. Selling has radically shifted in the past 6 weeks. I'm sure you've noticed. If you can sell in any economy, you're in control of your future and you're okay. My assumption is you're having some challenges with that, or you wouldn't be here right now. Everything has changed and everyone is moving online, right? Live events are canceled. Traditional sales activities that require face-to-face interactions and travel, canceled. Traditional B2B sales, canceled. Networking, lunch and learns, canceled. Meeting for coffee, canceled. The list goes on. And those things that aren't canceled have drastically shifted. One thing we know is there's a lot of uncertainty. But uncertainty for you is a choice. Uncertainty for some does not mean uncertainty for all. And in a world of uncertainty, your personal and financial success requires that you have the ability to sell, adapt, and advance forward in any environment. My name is Jim Padilla, and my wife and I have this amazing company that we've been building for the last 6 years in this online business economy. And we have an outsourced sales team. We provide great success. We're all about helping people connect, capture, and convert sales online. We've been doing it for our clients to the tune of about $250 million in the last 6 years. And we're really excited about being able to share some of that with you because we went through something in 2008 personally as a family, where when that crisis hit us, we lost everything. Homes, filed bankruptcy, even went through a separation. It hit us hard. And something that came to a real critical mass was that we were not going to let any crisis in an economy turn us away again. We wanted to recession-proof our business. And we have spent every minute of the last 6 years really figuring out how to do that after a lot of trial and error, a lot of mistakes, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of expenses and testing and hiring and figuring things out. And now we've got something that really works. I want to share it with you. So stick with this here. I'm going to show you exactly how we help you do this, how this is going to work for you, how we make a difference, how we help you show up in an uncertain time with a tremendous amount of confidence and certainty. You see, you can move through this time right now and be in a shelter-in-place, circle the wagons environment where you just hunker down and hope for the best, hope you come out on the other side the way that you want to. I don't know how that's going to go. I don't like being in a place where I don't have control of my outcome. I know that when I bet on me, I win. And I'm pretty sure you're the same. I bet on you. Are you going to bet on you? All right, now it's time to optimize this opportunity to be able to shift all your sales activities online now and get there in a hurry and be effective so that you can master how to connect, capture, and convert online leads, online sales, so that you grow your business effectively and get really powerful in this amazing time of opportunity. So we just ask you a couple of quick questions, right? Do you still have a passion for serving your clients and the results you deliver, right? It's just that lately it seems almost impossible to convert your leads into clients. And it's starting to stress you out. Do you have a superpower for building rapport and connection, creating connections really quickly, but you don't feel confident in selling in a pandemic environment, or you feel guilty about asking for money, or you just don't know how to move through when you're dealing with somebody who's faced certain loss? Right? You're finding it harder to capture your ideal client's attention because everybody else is online marketing right now, and you're competing with everyone, everywhere, and everything. Right? Good news. Listen, you don't need to go through another sales training class to learn how to put your voice into a program or blueprint that somebody else created for them. For them. See, here's the difference with us. We've spent our business model is putting our voice into other people's platform. We know how to operate, create things that are effective for other people. We haven't just built something that's effective for us. Right? And you don't want to be focusing on trying to master somebody else's 10-step process or somebody else's blueprint that they created for them. We want to help you figure out how to do this on your own, how to do this with support, how to do this for you and for the clients that you serve and win in this environment. Right? So we want to introduce you to Conversion Immersion 2020. Right? Because we want you to be really clear and understand that selling online doesn't mean automating everything. It means mastering the art of blending automation and humanity. the perfect blend of human touch with technology, which is designed to enhance humanity. Pull the very best parts out of you so your clients can actually engage you in a way that is encouraging, enticing, and results driven, and separates you and helps you stand out and set apart because you understand them so well and so clearly. Right? We're literally going to walk through this opportunity to show you how you can sell effortlessly in any environment, how you can connect with the right people, capture their attention, capture their lead information, be able to sell them and convert them into what they need and they want in this time. Right? And being able to use the right skills, the right tools, the right technology to blend this all together to make it go. Right? So one thing that we want you to think about is don't focus on what you have to say. Focus on how to determine what needs to be said in each environment. Right? We don't teach you what to think. We teach you how to think. We don't teach you what to say. We teach you how to show up as the right person who knows what needs to be said in the moment. So we want you having the right conversations with the right people at the right time about the right things. That's what sales are about. That's what you and I are doing right now. Okay, so we're going to unpack for you over the course of this conversion immersion. It's a 2-day event. It's something we're going to literally open up the door and we're going to show you all the key strategies, the things that we've been doing to help our clients connect, capture, and convert leads online, to be able to deliver value, to be able to find them where they are, bring them into your world, capture them, move them into powerful, compelling conversations. So you're talking to the right people about the right things at the right time. And so you're having powerful conversations that actually move people forward, regardless of what's going on in the climate or in the economy or in your world at the moment or in your client's world. We're going to help you. We're going to unpack some of our best technology, lead generation, messaging, and strategies. We're going to help you capture. We're literally going to walk you through how to set up a live chat, how to put our strategies, our award-winning millions of dollars capturing and converting sales strategies on live chat, text chat, how to engage and interact with texting pre-sale and post-sale to help increase conversions. Right? Most people put online technology as a means to be able to communicate. We work online community as a means to be able to convert people into taking action on the things that they say that they really want, helping them identify it in the first place, seizing action on it, and moving forward. Isn't that what you want? How much difference would that make in your business and in your life? We want to recession-proof your life and your business so that you don't have to worry about anything going on in any crisis. You show up ready to convert, ready to make a difference, right? And then you stand out as the leader in your industry because you're really here helping people, because you've got a platform that's solid and you've got a predictable machine for generating revenue. Join us for the 2-day conversion immersion. The dates are below, right? And I want you to look right now. The most important thing you can do at this moment is look at the calendar. Don't look to see if you're available. Look at the calendar, put these dates that are down below on your calendar and reschedule anything else that you have going, because the ROI on this event, your time and investment and resources, are going to pay off in spades. If you can sell in any economy, you win. You get to be the master of your own domain. You get to be the architect of your future. And remember, an uncertain economy, uncertainty for others does not have to mean uncertainty for you. Let us help you with conversion immersion. Master this, remove uncertainty, and move you to the confidence, the clarity, and the conviction that comes with knowing exactly what you need to do and when. Right. We look forward to seeing you there. Make sure you take action right now. Jump on this because we're limiting the size of the classes. So once we're full. And the closer we get to full, the price is probably going to go up a couple of clicks. So jump on this, take advantage right now. Do not let that be a hindrance. If you need some help, just reach out. We want you in this class. We want you making a difference. We want you taking action and not second guessing yourself and eliminating all the noise from all the nonsense that's out there online right now. Jump in and let us help you. We'll see you in Conversion Immersion 2020.